Hello, back again. My next thing I'm going to play with is called Savvy Level. So I've not opened it yet, I'm just opening it as we speak. One of the things about caravanning is a pain in the ass to get it level and jump in and out 500 times, so this is supposed to make life easy. I don't know if that's going to be true or not until I look at it. There we go. So it's a little box. That gets installed inside the van. Positive, negative, pretty straightforward. Alright. Also got a 9-volt battery set up, so that might be even easier. Doing a 9-volt battery system might just save me a whole lot of grief, so I'll have a look at that. Plus I've got a wiring kit, internal wiring kit. So that's also something we'll have a look at, whether I want to go down the path of that or that. That's pretty cool. A 9-volt battery might just be easy. I wonder how long that'll last. It'll save me doing any wiring. So basically 9-volt onto there, positive, negative onto there, plug it into there, do something with that. I don't know what yet. And download the app and work it out. I'm sure the hardest part of this is going to be actually setting it up or getting it running. But I'll go and have a bit of a read and work out what we're going to do, and I'll come back to you. So I'm back in the caravan. I've downloaded the Savvy Level app via the information guide they've given me, which is good. And I've gone and done that. I've gone through and started to set this up. So in here, I'm going to stick it there. Hopefully the car will reach that. It's nice and flat the way they say it should be. I've gone and attached it straight into the spare red system here. It's a fused line anyway. I'm now going to cut that off, and I'm going to put that into the negative terminal right there, so that'll sit beautifully. And happy days. I'll come back to you as soon as I've got that sort of worked out. So I've got the Savvy Level wiring done. So I'll put the positive into here and the negative into here, which is a little bit shit, but that's okay. It's all working, and I've set the device there for the moment. I'm going to screw that down or stick it down. But the Savvy Level is now telling me I'm pretty bloody close. So I've got 15mm one direction, sideways slightly, and 20mm front to back, which is pretty good. So yeah, I think that's okay. That was pretty easy install. As far as a basic device goes, that's not hard. Positive, negative, fused line. Okay, easy. Download the app, turn it on, and we have a level for the car. Yeah, so when we go camping next, I'll be able to test this out. Rather than putting a Coke can on the floor and seeing which way it rolls, I'll be able to just turn it on and see if my yaw or yoke, I think that's what it's called, is accurate. So, happy days. Fast, quick and easy. Loving it. So all done, all finished, put back together. I've put on a little bit of double-sided tape underneath the Savvy Level and tested it from where the car would be at the front, and it's all picking up the signal easily. Everything seems to be working, so happy days, as you can see. It's got some tape underneath it, won't move anymore, and just wired straight into the fuse box. So happy days. We are all set to go. Let's test it when we hit the road and go camping. So dusted on this one, install over. If you like what you're seeing, please like and subscribe, or leave a comment to say I'm an absolute dick for doing it the way I've done it, but that's the way I do things. So feel free to yell out and say hello. We'll catch us all in the next one. Ciao.